A large fire burns near power lines just south of Athens in Greece. High temperatures and gusts of wind fanning the flames. Over 1,000 children have been evacuated from summer camps in the area. And visitors and residents in several seaside resorts have been told to get out.
The forces of the fire brigade have dealt with 81 forest fires in the last 24 hours. Most were treated immediately at their initial stage. At the moment, we're dealing with 4 large fires. The fire from its start, due to the strong winds, covered 12 kilometres in 2 hours.
On the island of La Palma in Spain, it is a similar picture. Helicopters joining the fight to control a large blaze. The heatwave gripping southern Europe has been unrelenting. In Italy, officials are urging people to stay indoors in the heat of the day. Although at the peak of tourist season, many will choose not to. In Sardinia, the only place to be is in the water. Temperatures will surge again here in the coming days. Europe's highest ever recorded temperature was 48.8 degrees Celsius. That was set on the island of Sicily 2 years ago. The forecasts suggest that record could potentially be broken here on Sardinia, where the temperatures are already up to 10 degrees above average for this time of year. This region is well used to handling heat, but scientists say that climate change is making this sort of weather worse.
In a sense, I mean, if you look back at 2003, which at that time felt as being an extreme heat wave and affected France, Italy, Spain, and other European regions, at that time, that was extreme. And climate scientists then said, you know, in the 2020s, this sort of extreme would become actually more commonplace, more frequent. And exactly what we're seeing now.
It's not just Europe. All over the world, records are being challenged or broken. This town in northwest China recording a temperature of over 52 degrees on Sunday, the nation's hottest ever. And in the southern part of the US, over 100 million people, nearly a third of the country's population, find themselves under heat warnings. Another sign of a world being reshaped as it warms. Hannah Thomas-Peter, Sky News.
But it's not just southern Europe experiencing extreme heat, as our science correspondent Tom Clark reports.
In summer, heat waves happen, but the world is currently seeing 3 record or near record-breaking events all at once. These whitish areas are the hottest, above 45 degrees or so. The heat waves are on 3 continents. Death Valley attracted tourists over the weekend,